Virgin Media Wi-Fi port. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to set up Virgin Media Wi-Fi port. So let's get started. The step number 1 is power on the port. Plug the Wi-Fi port into a power outlet. The indicator light will flash white for about 5 to 10 minutes while it pairs with your hub. Step number 2, wait for the light to turn solid white. Once the light stays solid white, the port has successfully connected and is ready to extend your Wi-Fi network. Step number 3, place the port strategically. For best results, place the port halfway between your hub and the area where you need a stronger signal. Make sure it is not in a dead zone. It needs a good signal to boost one. Then verify with the application. Download the Virgin Media Connect app if you have not already. Open the app to check your port status and confirm they are working correctly. You can also see which devices are connected to each port. And that's all. That's how you will be able to set up your Virgin Media Wi-Fi port.